All right, enough of this countdown. I'm not gonna let it go all the time. Hey guys, hello, howdy. My webcam's floating. It's not all the way at the bottom of the screen now. Let's see, make sure I'm live here. Am I live over on the YouTubes? I am. Uh-oh. Okay, so that's still working. What unplugged? Might have been my hard drive. Oh man, I just came over from Anxious Buddhist stream, and we were talking about Eve over there and how that game is like spreading like a virus through the community. Oh my god, it's probably this. Yeah, it's that. We're gonna unplug this. Yeah, we definitely have a group of people playing Eve now. All right. What were we do? Oh, that's right. My zombie was broken. I don't remember what about the zombie was broken, but it was broken. So let's swap over it. Let's figure out where we were at. Hopefully you guys can't hear the laptop behind me. I forgot to mute it. It doesn't look like you can. Okay, so for some reason you are not centered. Let's fix that, because I think the zombie... Yeah, the zombie's right there. Yeah, you guys are just straight up not centered. Oh man, we're reaching that time of year where it's actually like kind of chilly. Okay, you're actually not doing anything you're supposed to do. Interesting. Okay. So the detection components are attached. The zombie's got a wander, attack zombie, and okay, so for starters, the zombie is not wandering. Why are you not doing that? Let's move the zombie like all the way over here. That brought up stuff I didn't know either, but whatever. Box collider. Okay, so first off, why are we adding a box collider? Well, actually, I might be getting a box collider too. Hang on. Okay, yeah, so the box collider is the physical guy and stuff like that. Okay. The chase detection component is getting a circle divider, collider. Okay, so what is Wander not doing? Oh, I should have just did this yesterday because I forget where I was at. Let's go ahead and enter, and then let's actually see if I can get the target. Let's get the target position while we're at it. Want to enter? Okay. It's telling you you're moving. Why is the zombie like got some Z level to it? Okay, so it's not moving. Why is it not moving? Because protected, void, update. State machine. That's because we're not telling it to is the problem. State machine dot what's it called? What is it called? Oh, it's okay. I got you. I got you. State machine dot current state dot frame update. That's what we need. Affected, virtual, void. But it's going to be physics update, I believe I called it. You're not going to do anything specific, so I don't need those guys. That'd be why it wasn't moving around, because I wasn't actually calling the state every or the frame or the updates for the states. Now it should move around. Okay, so he's moving. He's kind of fast. Okay, so something in my player like basically dies immediately. That's not what I wanted. Player. Okay, so let's generate an override. That guy. I don't know where that put you. That all it did? Yeah, it totally didn't. Help if I could type. Public override void damage int damage. Hit by zombie, because he's probably, honestly, he's probably attacking 1,000 times a second. Oh, it threw you all the way down here. Okay. I need some different music. We'll do the Diablo 2 soundtrack. So yeah, you're moving after me. Oh god, you're like moving after me. Hit by zombie, yep. Okay, so I'm not correctly leaving the attack range, which is fine. Okay. Zombie attack, where are we? I'm not. That's why. Chase state. Oh, zombie has a. Does have a chase state. Because enemy. Oh. That's a problem. Okay. We can do that, and then enemy base state. That should be fine because it's I'm taking class zombie, class zombie, character. Oh, because character is gonna be in the enemy base. Or no. Hold on. Okay. The passing into the base state. This base state's has what it is, and in there it's taking in a. Okay. Okay. Can I? Detected as a character. Okay, character. So I guess after everything's all said and done, I can actually do. So actually what we can do here, this is what we'll do. But I did. Oh. Whatever. Set to do. Zombie character dot. Okay, I'm just trying to come up with a clean way to do this. There we go. In here, we'll just declare a new character state, or a new character to use. Okay, so pack zombie. It's moving into alert where it chases after. Oh, yours is not doing anything. Okay, so then what you need to do is go to your passive state. Wander. Alert. That needs to be a lot slower though. That's something I can work on. Oh, that's right. In the I gotta change that in the actual code. Character. Okay. Those there, and then I'll change this to setup or setup component. I can do this in here. That's fine. So one thing that's gonna be done is move speed is gonna be equal to 1. Okay. So now we gotta get this guy like moving. He's just sliding around. Which that's gonna be something that gets done probably in the base class itself. And yeah, no, it won't be done in character. It'll be done in base enemy. Let's see how we do it in the player. The animator dot set float speed. So probably to the not linear damping. Probably just the linear velocity, honestly. Because if it's moving, period. Vector 2 to float. Okay. We can do the absolute value of the linear velocity in the x direction plus the absolute value of the linear velocity in the y. I can do that without needing to. No. What? Okay, what are the build errors? Expected somewhere. I need one more. Come on, slide over, buddy. There you go. So if we're moving this way, yep. Moving this way, yep. Moving this way, yep. Moving that way, yep. Okay, so now Now we got to deal with the flipping of the sprite itself. Which I'm pretty sure I did do this, and this is where Dorindicator and I were having to discuss. I gotta hit. I'm used to Visual Studio. I'm used to VS Code. I don't want it on this side. I want it on this side. Green Army Grunt. Okay, so let me base. You're already doing that. I don't need to do that. Don't need this. I don't need any of this actually, because that's all being done over here now. The only problem now is where's my attack script? That's the one that's gonna be. So I should make a property of the. Okay, so the character itself, or I mean the enemy base probably. We're gonna stay consistent, and we'll do it this way, because I feel like there's gonna be collisions that could come in. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with what I'm doing for now. So start with Wander. Character that move. I feel like this should be this should be definitely done in a probably the physics update. Maybe not. And 1 second, the cats are being a pain. All right, we're back. I need to know if rigid boy, whoops, rigid body 2D. When I'm moving left, is that actually a negative? Like, is that actually negative? I just want to make sure. Okay, this is something I should be doing in fixed update 2. Okay, so what I want to do though is, so for the time being, I guess we'll do this easy. Debug.log rigid body dot linear velocity x. I just want to make sure this is a negative number. It's got to be, otherwise I don't. It would. Yeah, it has to be. There's no way it's not. Yeah, so oops. So see my linear velocity is like negative, and if I come over here, it's positive. Okay. So if, or actually, so we're gonna do character sprite dot, how am I flipping this? Character sprite dot flip x equals body dot linear velocity x is less than 0. True. False. The problem that actually is gonna cause some flipping. So this actually does need to be in the wander state. So character dot, oh, okay, hold on, that's where this is where that got weird. How did I do sprite renderer? Okay, and we have this whole is flipped thing. Okay, it's fine. Do I want to expose the rigid body? I mean, it's... Actually, this is what we can do. Public vector 3, because I'm pretty sure the linear velocity is a vector 2. Okay. Velocity, and that's going to get return linear velocity. There we go. That's how we'll get the velocity without having to actually reference it, because we'll just get the actual thing. So then what we can do is character dot velocity dot x is greater than is less than 0. True. False. Bool is flipped. Cool. Then basically and then so character dot sprite renderer dot flip x equals is flipped. So let's set these in chunks. So this is getting the direction, moving it. This is determining if it needs to be flipped, and then if it doesn't have it, it's going to do a thing. Cool. Let's move him down there so I can... Cool. He's flipping the right way. I think you'd give him a bigger radius he can pull from, but how they move around will have to get reworked anyway. This is just to get it working. Okay. Attack. So chase is going to be kind of the same thing. Target does not equal null. Attack really not. That's actually fair instead of... In fact, since a lot of these states kind of require this anyway. Let's always check it. So then attack. Good there. Alert. Doesn't have it. Attack zombie. Won't have it. Wander. Doesn't need to declare and it works. Chase. There we go. We gotta do one more thing just to end the. Oh, that's right. It's not gonna have a. That's something we won't worry about for the time being. Only thing, yeah, if I manage to leave, it's really hard to do. But yeah, it's whatever. That one we might be able to get away with not even messing with because it's gonna, you're gonna be running around. So we'll let that one be, see what happens. So that point, I believe everything kind of works. One more thing we got to do is check the. We need to actually check the faction. So in that case, the zombie can start here. The enemy, so we're gonna now reinstate the enemy. Right there. These guys can interact with each other at all? Oh, they might. Gotta get a little bit closer. They almost see each other. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna grab the zombie and I'm gonna move him just a smidge closer. There we go. Okay, that was quick. Okay, so the test now will be the enemy or in the zombie. Oh, I guess I can't. So this is what we're gonna do. Green Army Grunt. Faction equals enum nut faction dot military. The zombie, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. There. So the attack state now is going to check character obj equals this. If obj dot faction needs to be a publicly accessible thing. Public public okay, so it's faction. Oh, what am I gonna call this? Oh, okay, cool. Attack if object dot faction So it means now when I do this, the zombie should still go after the guy, but the guy will not shoot the zombie anymore. And I'll move the guy a little bit closer so I don't have like so much BS I gotta take care of. The player, I'm also just gonna straight up move. I'm gonna move the player like up here so it just doesn't deal with any of that stuff. Cool. So basically what I need to do now is in every single one of these, What I can do here is I can, or no, I gotta check. The check is gonna make sure before if it's null before anything. So put that. I just need this. So if the collision does not equal null, I'm gonna get it. And if the faction at this point, I could probably game. That's fine. Okay. We'll leave that as is. Cool, cool. So alert. That's doesn't need it. Attack zombie. Wander doesn't need it. Chase does need it. There, that should cover all the states that I've got right now. Retreat, kinda. Oh, yeah, I guess retreat, because I'm not gonna retreat from things that are on our team. Okay, so all the states now are taking into account the faction, so now faction warfare won't be a thing. So like now the two should literally ignore each other. Like they should just not, they like won't even remotely care. Yeah, they just do not care about each other. But now if I pull up that zombie again, and I make him a zombie, then they're suddenly going to care, and there's going to be some fire shooting like immediately. See if they figure out how to. Yeah, now they very much care. Oh. Okay, so we're going to delete that. Then we're going to get an actual detection component. We're going to attach you here to attack component. And then in the enemy, we're going to go ahead and attach that. Hi, Hendrix. What doing up there, buddy? Can you see him? I don't know. Oh, yep. All my cats are pestering me for food, even though it's only 3:20. Oh, shoot. I don't realize what I can do, actually. Wait, no, I can't do that. Okay. All right, what do I want to do now? I got the state machines. The AI is not good, but the state machines are functional, which is what I wanted to accomplish. What do I want to work on right now? What's in dire need to get done first? Let's see. I need to do, I need to make lootables. I need to remake the, I gotta do the, okay, yeah, so I gotta do loot system. I gotta do the weapon modding system. I need to do, and obviously, like, that stuff is gonna, I'm incorporating the UI into that stuff too. I need to make the drop system for like enemies and stuff like that. So I gotta work on their like loot tables and stuff. I gotta do this. I gotta make the stash. The stash is a big one, and be able to save and load that guy, which mostly is copy paste. That one will be able to be done. That needs to be done after lootables, and then all that is a special lootable that has the save load script, which is already done anyway. So that just falls under lootables. It's weapon modding, lootables, vendors. I gotta get my vendor up. I gotta make the other level, and then, okay, yeah, I gotta make the other level for the playtest. Figure out how to get in, you know, pass between those two levels, which shouldn't be hard. I think it's really only those 4 things that really need done before, and I'll be completely back to, yeah, it's those 4 things that need to be done, and then I'm back to where I was with my Godot build. And the beauty of it is the weapon modding system, honestly, the weapon modding system is not hard. It's literally just the UI that I have to do for that. That's going to be the pain. Like, yeah, all that code is written. It's pretty language agnostic. Like, I mean, I'm gonna have to transfer. I'll have to change like keywords and stuff like that with syntax, but for the most part, like the stuff itself is written. So I just got to convert it to C#. So really the only hard work that I need to do is UI work and physically making the level. So the question is, what do I want to work on right now? I've got about a half an hour. All those things sound like they're going to be harder or more work than an hour. What I need to do is I need to start practicing art more. One thing I haven't done, I haven't drawn anything in forever. I probably want to convert a part of my stream into just dedicated drawing, and it's gonna be whether it's actually for my development or if it's just drawing for the sake of drawing, which I feel like it's a good thing to add in at those points in the stream where I'm getting towards the end and I don't know what to do with the rest of the time. But yeah, it's just a weird day today. Like I said, this week is weird with my wife's sale that she has to deal with at work. A huge sale. So it kind of screws with her schedule. So it's screwing with my schedule. Next week will be 100% back to normal, at least until we get to the weirdness of the holidays and stuff. But that's always a whole thing. Yeah, I probably should have written down what I was needing to do. I think the easiest I think the easiest thing to start with right now is interactables. And that's honestly kind of like before I can do like the vendors and the weapon modding station and stuff like that, all of that stuff basically is going to revolve down to I need to get the core like interaction system done. I need to learn the input system. Because it's not in here. I noticed when I was playtesting on my laptop, right? Trying to get my dev work over there so I could use it too before I realized that Unity just can't run on that thing. Doesn't surprise me. That was the benefit of Godot, is Godot ran on it decently well. The input system is something I need to figure out because I'm doing weird things like if I come over to the player, I'm doing weird things where like I have my inventory set to fire 3, which obviously I don't want. And at least to the best of my knowledge, input manager, there wasn't like a lot I could do here. Like I think I manually put in alternate, but tab as an alternate button here. Mouse X. I mean, I guess I could rename some of this stuff, but we'll see. That's something we'll figure out later. Okay, so let's PR what we got. Let's commit those changes. Let's push that stuff in. And we'll go ahead and do a PR on this. The early PRs are nice because I don't really have to do a ton of testing. Create a pull request. I'm also curious to see what my contributions look like right now. Merge that in. Confirm. Cool. We're in. Code. Actually, we got to go to Actual Lethal Injection Studios. Yeah, okay, so there's a bit in August but that I was actually like on vacation in August, so that's where it was. But other than that, my contributions are still pretty good. It's about been consistent. I think, yeah, and we've been working on this project for about a year. Okay. Making sure the cats weren't out. And speak of the devil, there he is. Okay. That guy. Piling. Yep, because stuff changed when I get over into this guy. It's surprisingly happy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna find. So actually, what I want to do. Reload. Cool. Yeah, yep. I know. All of you guys are whatever. Okay, so actually, what I want to do is, I know what I can do for it. I promised Door Indicator I would do this. Now we're in a good position. I'm gonna create a new branch. Tooling. Slash that way. Okay. 1_ Door Indicators SO editor changes. Door Indicator is gonna miss it, but that's what he gets for not being here. So he messaged them to me. Expand. I want to just do whole file. Okay, so this is the reorder scriptable. Okay, no, this is one I need to download. And I'm gonna drop this right into my game project. Which actually that is plugins editor. Okay. Oh, where is this thing saved? Oh no, where? Okay, that's not there. It's not there. Where is this saved? This is Godot. Okay, hold on. Projects. Okay. There you are. Assets. Plugins. Scriptable object table. Editor. Save. And then now this guy. View whole file. I'm just going to grab this entire thing. Copy that out. And then that didn't work. Okay. I'm going to download this guy and we're into the same spot. Okay, so now close this. Then you left me some tools, pre-order scriptable objects table. If I open this up, let's open up, say, like the weapon. That out. Oh. Door indicator. You're amazing. It's little funky. Doesn't line up entirely well, but I can forgive it. It works enough. And I appreciate everything you've done. Cuz that's so cool. Okay, yeah. It's I mean, I know you warned me too that it was a little wonky and that you're not a UI designer. Totally understand, totally get it. I too am not a UI designer. But it's great. I love it. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. Yeah, I don't know I don't know what else to say. It's perfect. It does exactly what I need to do. It works. And you have earned yourself a when I finally have affiliate, you have earned yourself a VIP, because that's amazing, and I appreciate you putting in the time to fix this up for me, so I didn't have to. So that way I could focus on what I was doing, and I didn't have to put in time to figure this out myself. So yeah, no, that's cool. I'm super happy with that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and _Derindicators SO editor changes reorderable. I'm gonna commit that. I'm gonna push it in. I'm gonna pull those changes in. All right, that was super, super easy to do. Actually, I'm gonna send a message right now. Actually, we'll hold off on telling him. We'll wait till he's in here, and then I can just kind of pop in and be like, oh, by the way. I'll let it be a surprise instead of messaging him now. So that way he can, when he catches the next stream, I can be like, I took a look at it. It's cool. All right. Armor penetration is always 0. That's fine because this stuff is never getting. Oh yeah, there's a ton of little things I have to do too. Now that I think about it, because I have to load in the. Yeah, there's a bit. I think I classify that as part of the weapon modding system though, but. But man, I didn't think that. Man, I was not expecting it to work that smoothly. I thought I was gonna have some sort of issue getting it to come in, but that worked great. Hi, Jackson. So, you know, annoyingly, I might go ahead and call stream early today. I know it's only been an hour and a half. It'll be shorter than much usual, but it's honestly, there's nothing I really want to start right now that I'll be able to accomplish in the next 20 minutes. And I'm kind of leaving off at a good spot. So that means Friday actually will be back to normal. I was saying next week, Friday will be a normal stream. Except no, it won't, because Friday is a weird day. Friday is actually an off day for me. Never mind, because my week is all screwy. For other things, because I've got a gaming event that I'm doing on Friday, so I actually will be leaving for that. Won't be around for stream. So no stream on Friday. We will be back again on Monday. Yeah, we'll be back again Monday. Tuesday, I mean, sorry, not Monday. We'll be back again Tuesday. Back to completely normal stream schedule, and shouldn't have any interruptions. So yeah, anyone that's here, thanks for hanging out. Sorry for the short stream. Catch me again on Tuesday. We'll be back to the full streams, like I said. And all my socials are down below. Definitely go check those out. And you guys have a good rest of the night. See you.